Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and happy December. Never mind that my calendar still says October on it. I am filming this way in advance. Today I thought I would do a makeup look for a little get ready with me, and also real quick announce that I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this December. So what that means is I'm going to be posting every day of December. Now usually for Vlogmas people usually post through the 25th, but I'm going to be posting through the 31st because I'm a masochist. And I'm also not going to be posting Christmas related content except for maybe 1 or 2 videos, just because I'm not too much of a Christmas person. My family never really celebrated Christmas growing up, so I'm just going to be posting regular content. So I suppose it's not actually Vlogmas, but I don't really know what else to call it. I mainly wanted to do this because for the past year or so, the most I did was 2 videos a week, and sometimes it was even just 1 video a week. And when I was in school and really busy, it made a lot of sense for me just because I didn't have time to do more. And I really want to be posting more and see what it's like for this month, so why not go all in? My favorite part of making videos has always been reading and responding to comments. Because my channel is so small, usually I don't get a lot of new comments unless I just posted a new video, but on days where I don't post, it's kind of quiet and it kind of makes me sad, and I feel like I should be doing more. And I really feel like I can do more. I just really want to see how much I can make this channel grow, because from the beginning one of my main goals has always been to make enough money to consider this my job, because I really do enjoy it. So right now I am in that mindset of wanting to experiment and see what will grow my channel. And also I'm kind of in an interesting position right now where I just have a lot of time to create because I'm living with my parents, and I don't have to worry about rent or paying for food, which means I can focus all my energy into making videos. I really want to challenge myself and push myself and see where we can go. Also, it'll be a really great way to keep myself busy and also distract myself from the crippling fact that I don't have a full-time job. Honestly, YouTube is probably one of the only reasons that I'm still sane in quarantine. I am just beyond excited about the videos that I have planned for this month, and I really hope you'll love them. So yeah, that's pretty much for the announcement, and that is pretty much it with the makeup look too. I've got a lot of... Oh, I just ate some of the setting spray. It was like still floating around. Got a lot of makeup related videos coming out this month, which I am super excited about because I get to experiment with a bunch of new makeup looks. Today's look is done. Green eyeshadow, pink lip. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!